Subaru just unveiled the 2026 Outback, and it represents the most radical transformation in the vehicle's entire three-decade history. If you've been holding off on buying an Outback because the old one felt outdated or too bland, these 6 differences are going to change everything you thought you knew about this model. While most redesigns bring minor tweaks and fresh paint, Subaru engineers went back to the drawing board and reimagined what an Outback should be, from a luxury interior that matches premium rivals to a bold exterior that looks nothing like any previous generation. Number 6. It's more luxurious. Step inside the new Outback and the upgrade hits you immediately. Where the outgoing model featured hard plastics and basic materials that felt dated compared to rivals, the 2026 generation is bringing a genuinely upscale environment. Think about the last time you spent $40,000 on something only to be reminded of its compromises every time you touched it. That frustration disappears here. The center console gets a complete rework with improved storage solutions and higher quality finishes that finally match what you're paying. The new 12.1-inch landscape-oriented touchscreen replaces the old portrait-style unit, bringing faster processing power and cleaner graphics. The Android-based operating system responds quickly to inputs with more intuitive menu navigation. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard across the range, eliminating cable clutter. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster offers multiple display modes, from minimalist layouts for relaxed cruising to map-focused screens for navigation-heavy trips. Anyone who's tried adjusting climate settings through a touchscreen while wearing winter gloves knows the instant frustration of unresponsive screens. Climate functions have been pulled out of the touchscreen and given dedicated buttons and knobs, making adjustments possible even with thick gloves on. New low-fatigue seats mounted directly to the chassis reduce head movement during long drives, while base models are losing cloth upholstery in favor of easier-to-clean synthetic materials. So the interior's finally matching premium expectations, but that upscale experience would mean nothing if the exterior still looked like every other Outback from the past decade, which is exactly why Subaru went radical with the styling. Number 5. Bold and aggressive look. The exterior transformation is impossible to miss. The 2026 Outback is abandoning its wagon roots and embracing a full SUV identity. This represents the most radical design shift in Outback history, moving away from the subtle, evolutionary approach Subaru typically follows. Up front, stacked headlight clusters and a massive upright grille create a chunky, commanding presence. The flat hood and vertical lines give the Outback a truck-like character that previous generations never approached. The roofline is 2 inches taller, creating a boxier silhouette that's distinctly SUV-like rather than wagon-inspired. Sculpted sheet metal emphasizes muscle and capability, while pronounced wheel arches accentuate the increased stance. Those beefier roof rails aren't just for show. They're supporting 800 pounds of static weight and 220 pounds when the vehicle is moving. Picture setting up camp and being able to hang a massive awning off your roof without worrying whether the rails can handle it. That 220-pound lateral capacity means you're covered, turning the Outback into a genuine base camp rather than just transportation to one. Now, aggressive looks are great for the showroom, but they're worthless if the driving experience doesn't back up the visual promise. And that's where Subaru made changes that previous Outback owners never saw coming. Number 4. More engaging handling. Previous Outbacks prioritized comfort over everything else, creating a disconnected driving experience. The new generation is changing that equation with substantial dynamic improvements, starting with what's under the skin. The most significant upgrade comes from the steering system, borrowed directly from the WRX. This isn't marketing fluff. It's a fundamental hardware change that transforms how the Outback communicates with the driver. The new rack is more precise, offering quicker responses and eliminating the vague feel that characterized previous generations. More importantly, it provides actual feedback from the road surface. Imagine navigating a twisty mountain road and actually feeling confident about where your front wheels are pointed and how much traction they have. That's the difference this steering system makes. It turns uncertainty into control, making the Outback genuinely enjoyable rather than merely adequate on winding roads. Engineers have reworked the damper settings to maintain comfortable ride quality while reducing body roll and improving responsiveness. The result is a vehicle that no longer wallows through corners. Turn-in is sharper, and the chassis settles more quickly when transitioning between direction changes. The low-mounted boxer engine continues to provide a lower center of gravity than most crossovers, and Subaru is finally tuning the chassis to take advantage of that inherent benefit. Better handling is excellent, but it matters little if you're cramped inside or constantly fighting for cargo space, which brings us to the practical improvements that'll impact every single trip you take. Number 3. More spacious. The taller roofline creates tangible improvements in passenger space, particularly headroom for rear seat occupants. Behind the rear seats, cargo volume increases from 32.4 cubic feet to 35 cubic feet. The cargo opening itself is substantially larger, making it easier to load bulky items like camping gear or sporting equipment. We've all struggled loading a tent and sleeping bags into a cargo area that's just slightly too narrow or too low. Those frustrating moments disappear with the new Outback's redesigned cargo space. Everything slides in without the Tetris-style maneuvering the old model required. Subaru has added practical touches throughout, including 10 anchor points for the flexible tonneau cover and hooks for hanging wet gear or grocery bags. The washable tonneau cover is magnetically attached along its outer edge, so pushing into it when carrying heavy items automatically opens additional storage. Door bottle holders now accommodate 32-ounce water bottles, while the center console offers more usable space with thoughtful divisions that keep items organized. Even tiny details show Subaru is thinking about practical use cases. Adorable dog illustrations are etched into the taillight housings to help owners measure cargo space, acknowledging that many Outback buyers are pet owners. The roof rails now have clearer markers for fitting crossbars, eliminating guesswork during installation. More space is great for hauling gear, but none of that matters if you can't get to your destination safely, and Subaru's taken safety technology to levels that put many rivals to shame. Number 2. New safety features. The latest iteration of Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology is bringing substantial improvements. The system now uses 3 forward-facing cameras combined with radar sensors, creating more comprehensive monitoring of the environment ahead. A new, wider-angle camera is detecting pedestrians and cyclists more effectively, catching potential conflicts earlier. Emergency stop assist with safe lane selection represents a potentially life-saving addition. If the driver becomes unresponsive while adaptive cruise control is operating, the system can turn on the flashers, slow the vehicle and pull it onto the shoulder, then contact emergency services. Think about the terrifying scenario where a medical emergency strikes while you're driving at highway speeds. This system can literally save your life and protect other drivers by safely removing your vehicle from traffic and summoning help. It's the kind of technology you hope you never need but are grateful exists. Select trims are offering hands-free highway driving capability at speeds up to 85 miles per hour. This isn't full self-driving. It requires driver supervision, but it reduces fatigue during extended highway cruising. Pre-curve speed reduction works in conjunction with adaptive cruise control, automatically slowing the vehicle when approaching tighter corners. Improved processing power allows faster analysis of driving situations, while Subaru has refined the sensitivity of alerts to reduce false positives. Advanced safety technology protects you on paved roads. Off the road, Subaru's giving upgrades that make it more capable than ever. Number 1. Wilderness gets new features. The off-road-focused Wilderness trim is returning with meaningful mechanical upgrades. The suspension now includes electronically controlled dampers, providing greater stability and control across varying terrain types. This adaptive damping adjusts in real time, stiffening for high-speed stability or softening to absorb rough trail surfaces. Approach, departure, and breakover angles are all improved compared to standard Outback models, giving the Wilderness greater capability in technical off-road situations. All-terrain tires mounted on 17-inch wheels provide excellent traction on loose surfaces. Towing capacity increases to 3,500 pounds, aided by a redesigned rear bumper and upgraded trailer hitch hardware. Inside, water-resistant upholstery comes standard. Anyone who's returned from a muddy trail ride and cringed at the thought of their seats knows exactly why this matters. With water-resistant materials, you can hose down the interior if needed, eliminating the anxiety about permanent stains or odors from your adventures. The front grille abandons Subaru's traditional badge for blocky Subaru lettering across the face, creating immediate visual distinction. Matte black cladding and copper-colored accents throughout the exterior reinforce the Wilderness's hardcore outdoor identity. These aren't just appearance modifications, they're visual indicators of a vehicle with genuine additional capability. This is Subaru's answer to everyone who's been waiting for this model to finally catch up with the competition. The premium interior materials eliminate the budget feel that plagued previous generations, while the bold SUV styling gives it a presence that turns heads rather than blends into traffic. WRX-sourced steering transforms it from a numb commuter into something genuinely engaging to drive. And the increased space solves real problems for families and adventurers who actually use their vehicles. Add in safety technology that rivals luxury brands, and you've got a vehicle that's addressing nearly every complaint owners had about the old model. But the Outback isn't the only vehicle that's coming with major changes for the next year. If you're in the market for a 3-row SUV, you definitely want to check out our video about the difference between the old and the new 2026 Kia Telluride. Kia's flagship is getting a complete redesign with more attractive styling, an even more luxurious cabin, and big updates under the hood.